Outdoor exploration, encouraging kids to explore nature fosters a sense of wonder and curiosity. Nature walks, scavenger hunts, and gardening activities not only expose them to the natural world, but also teach them about plants, animals, and the environment. Art and creativity, providing children with various art materials, and allowing them to express themselves freely through drawing, painting, and crafting enhances their creativity and fine motor skills. Art also serves as a medium for them to communicate their thoughts and feelings. STEM activities, introducing kids to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM concepts through hands-on experiments and projects promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Building simple machines, conducting experiments, and coding activities are all excellent ways to make STEM fun and accessible. Role-playing and pretend play, role-playing scenarios such as playing doctor, chef, or firefighter, allow children to use their imagination and develop social skills. Through pretend play, they learn about different roles in society, practice empathy, and improve their language skills by engaging in dialogue. Storytelling and reading. Reading aloud to children and encouraging them to narrate their own stories not only cultivates a love for books, but also enhances their language development and comprehension skills. Interactive storytelling sessions spark their imagination and creativity. Music and dance. Music and movement activities promote coordination, rhythm, and self-expression. Dancing to music, singing songs, and playing musical instruments introduce children to the world of music while allowing them to release energy and express themselves freely. Sensory play. Sensory activities such as playing with sand, water, or Play-Doh stimulate children's senses and facilitate cognitive development. Sensory play also helps them explore different textures, colors, and sensations in a safe and engaging manner. Puzzle and games. Board games, puzzles, and educational toys provide opportunities for children to practice problem solving, strategy, and logical thinking skills. Playing games together as a family or with peers encourages cooperation, sportsmanship, and healthy competition. Cooking and baking. Involving children in cooking and baking activities not only teaches them practical life skills but also introduces concepts related to math, science, and nutrition. Following recipes, measuring ingredients, and exploring different flavors enrich their sensory experiences. Outdoor sports and physical activities. Engaging in outdoor sports and physical activities such as biking, hiking, or playing team sports promotes physical fitness, coordination, and teamwork. Outdoor play also allows children to develop an appreciation for nature and encourages a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating these diverse activities into children's playtime, parents and educators can create enriching learning experiences.